guys, welcome back to our channel. We are SuprAash. For all those of you who are fan of sitcoms, I'm sure you have heard of Friends. And coming to New York and not visiting the iconic Friends Experience tour, that's just not possible.
After watching the series for several years, finally we are going to see the Friends set. We are going to experience the Friends show, what we saw on TV in real for today.
So stay on and let's see how the experience turns out to be. It's about a 25-minute walk from our hotel.
Again, for the Friends Experience, we have used GetYourGuide to book our tickets.
If you would like to book the same experience like us, we will leave a link down in the description below. Please note that it is an affiliate link, so any booking you make does not cost you anything extra, but it does help us out.
Our slot is at 1:30 p.m. We are already heading towards there.
As you might have seen in some of our vlogs, the location where we're staying, it's pretty centrally located. You can walk to a lot of places nearby. So if you would like to see where we're staying while we're staying in New York, stay tuned for an upcoming video on that. We've reached the Friends Experience, and right from outside they get you right into the mood of Friends with iconic catchphrases throughout the Friends season.
Unagi! I am super excited to come here because I watch Friends almost every day.
This are so fun. You've got your friends. Rachel, Monica, Phoebe, Joey, Chandler.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke you broke, your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day, a week, a month.
When we entered Friends, it was just an incredible experience. We didn't expect that they would just open the door and right in front of that there will be the famous sofa every time when the Friends show begins. I really had goosebumps when I saw the set. I think I have no words to explain what I felt.
See a lot of information of how the set and the series were shot over here. Some behind the scenes interviews, preliminary designs of the set.
So we finished our friends experience, and right now we are sitting at
Central Park.
having some lemonade and iced tea.
As promised, we said we would let you know our review of the place and whether we found it worth coming here or not. So, what did you think?
You're asking a die-hard fan of Friends. What do you think? What will be my answer?
Even if you're not a die-hard fan of Friends, I would definitely say if you like the show Friends, it's really worth it to come here and see some of the iconic sets, the way it was made. You'll see some behind-the-scenes clips, and you get to experience being in those apartments of Monica and Rachel, Joey and Chandler, sitting on the iconic sofa, sitting on the lazy boy chairs in Joey and Chandler's apartments. It was really an amazing experience.
So they also give you a card where they take some professional pictures, but you can just give the staff your phone and cameras, and they will also take pictures and videos there. So that's also been incredible experience with us, and all the staff were pretty nice. And once we finished the tour, there is a Central Park, and again the iconic sofa in Central Park, and then you can have some food and drinks. Food is mainly like snacks like cookies, muffins, sort of, and then of course coffees. But our video doesn't end here. We will still explore some parts of New York, so stay tuned with us.
So we just finished the Friends experience, and now we're moving on to our next stop. As we said, the show doesn't end here. We are going to continue visiting New York.
We are heading to the Chinatown. So an insider tip, if you want to do some shopping, like souvenir shopping, or if you want to eat some Chinese food, Chinatown is the place because you get all the things there at affordable cost.
We will let you know exactly how affordable it is compared to the rest of New York once we get there.
So from the Friends experience, we are going to take the subway to go to the Chinatown. The subway itself, it will take around 10 minutes. Then we have to do some walking after we reach the station to go to the main street of Chinatown. We have reached the Chinatown.
Fun fact, this is the oldest Chinatown in the US, dating back to the 1800s. So in Chinatown, they have a lot of small shops, small stalls, a lot of things for sale. So you see, it is quite different to downtown New York.
We were trying to roam around in Chinatown, but we reached to Little Italy. Yeah, so it's still the Chinatown, but I think there is also a section where it is Little Italy. So we will also explore a little bit of Chinatown and also Italy when in New York. You can see here jewelries which are more like Chinese designs.
So while walking through Chinatown, we came across a place where they're giving samples of milk tea.
Surprisingly, it is good actually. It doesn't taste like tea.
No,
It's more like milk, just flavored.
it's more like an Indian sweet drink which we get and buy.
For me, it's more smells like when we go to weddings. There's like a smell of some flowers. That taste I'm getting in the drink.
True.
Anyhow, it was good.
So we've come to eat some dim sums at a dim sum parlor which is open since 1920. Let's go inside and see how the dim sums taste.
We had some dumplings, which was I think okayish. Nothing great about it. But anyhow, after that, we went for a foot massage.
That was very nice, relaxing. After walking so much all these days, it was much needed.
Yeah, I was just about to sleep, but overall it was very good, and I think quite affordable as well as compared to what we do in Europe.
So if you come to Chinatown and want to get a food rub, it's recommended.
So we did some souvenir shopping in Chinatown and it was indeed cheap. We had some dumplings, of course, and then we came to the Little Italy.
Over here we spent some time roaming around as well, looking at all the cafes, and it felt just like back in Italy, in Belgium as well, where they were calling you inside every restaurant. Everyone had the best pasta, the best pizzas.
But anyhow, we settled down for one restaurant. We had pasta. We have to tell it was really amazing pasta. It was really nice. The owner was also pretty good to us. Overall experience was good. And if you would like to see which restaurant we had that pasta, please subscribe to our channel and wait for our food vlog video.
With this, we would like to end our video and end our day. And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share,
Because sharing is caring.
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.